Hi guys, and welcome back to another cooking video with Callmejessyy. Today I'm going to show you guys an easy way how to make biryani. So I've discovered this beautiful infused rice full of, with herbs and spices. So I don't know if that's usually how the biryani rice is made. Of course, different people make it different way, and there are different types of variety of biryani, how it is made. Well, I believe, like I myself, I've cooked different type of biryanis, and so this is one of the easiest way I've found out. So without further ado, I would like to start, but I would also like to say this because I would like to educate myself. I was doing my research and I really wanted to know like where the biryani really originated from. So when I was doing my research, I found out that it was originated from Persia. I don't know really myself, and then was brought to India by the Mughals. So I'm quite not too sure myself, so leave your comments down below educating myself, so I would love to know. So without further ado, let's get cooking. So guys, first thing first, now we're gonna cut loads of onions. So for this I'm using my dad. Usually the men of the house always help me in cutting the onions because that's the one thing which I hate doing when I'm cooking. So for cutting onions, I hate that. So my granny also always says that the more onions you add, the more flavorful your dish will be. All the ingredients will be there in the description box. Make sure you check them out as to what the measurement was and how the directions. So yeah, and now I'm gonna take a separate vessel and put all the ingredients to cook the rice and keep it aside. So now we're gonna prepare the chicken, so the chicken masala. So make sure you follow the entire recipe and understand how it is done. I've fast forwarded it for you to see because it's a bit lengthy process. And over here, since the rice is cooked, you should be careful. You shouldn't be over cooking it. It should be still stiff and you should be able to break it. So over here for the chicken, we have it already applied salt and kept, but you can either do this or you can add more salt in the curry. But if you add salt and keep for the chicken, that way the chicken will be more flavorful. So that's why I'm adding less salt for the chicken, but it's of course entirely up to you. And now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients and let the chicken cook. have a perfectly cooked biryani ready. So it was so flavorful, perfect crunch with the nuts on top, and the chicken was perfectly cooked, and the rice was just on point and had this beautiful aroma with all the infused herbs and spices. And you can have this with raita on the side, and also you can add a bit of mixed pickle. It is delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So guys, if you do love this video and if you've come this far, thank you so much for watching the video, and if you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to share and comment down below your thoughts and how it was. And if you do try it, please do DM me the pictures. I would love to know. And also share with your friends and family, so if anyone would like to do this easy biryani, it would be really helpful for them as well as for me, so that anyone who watches it, I'd be really proud. And thank you so much for all your love and support on my previous video. Thank you so much for sharing the videos, anyone who did like and comment, and also whoever shared it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of that support, and stay tuned and don't forget to hit the bell icons, because I'm gonna come up with new dish. And until then, I'll see you guys later. Hasta la vista.